are here at Steele's Creek Park and we are on the train. I have with me my hubby and Miss Ilana.
What is that?
She's so fascinated.
Yeah. 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 Going through a tunnel. Going through a tunnel.
What is it, Bee?
Yeah. Yeah. We
So
should do
beautiful
it.
here.
Do it. Yeah.
We're entering a tunnel.
She's not standing up as much. She's just like, oh.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Look at her little arms flailing.
I see it.
I don't know who that is.
What would they use their horn?
They were honking at us.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So that wasn't a sign of being rude? That was
No.
like, hello, guys.
Yeah. Look at her little arms. Yeah. Yeah. She's pouncing.
She's excited.
Yeah. What is this? What is this? Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. That sun feels good.
Are you cold, babe?
No, I'm not cold, but there's some geeses. Geeses. Yeah.
Babe, what is this? Is this Steele's Creek? This water here, body of water?
I guess so. I'd have to look at the map. I forget. Yeah. Yeah. Say, go. Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
What time did you get here?
We all came here together.
Okay. What time is that?
I don't know. I don't remember. Babe, what? Is that cherry?
Yeah, red buds.
Oh, okay.
It's red bud winter, I believe.
Yeah. Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Baby, what do you see, baby? Her arms. Baby, what do you see, baby? Baby. Baby. What do you see? Baby.
She's smiling. Can't see.
She's excited.
Eat it. Eat it. Her little noises, I swear.
I swear, it's almost like she's talking, you know? She's not saying
Can't formulate the words.
form. Yeah, she cannot say complete words yet, but right there, I mean, she's excited.
So cute.
Hey.
She's making fun of you. You gonna beat her up?
Oh my gosh, it's cold.
Ah! Mommy's pulling out.
Ikaw mo. Why is there a log in the middle?
What do you mean?
Stub protruding.
That's a beaver cut that down.
Really?
Yeah, couldn't you tell the way it was cut?
I mean, I thought it was, but I wasn't too sure. I mean, it was like,
oh shit.
almost. Just hold on to it. Oh,
I thought she was gonna let go, and I'm like, damn it! On the way out, we gotta get that.
Oh, babe, it's pretty. Look at that.
What? Oh, the background.
Picture. No, yeah. Hey, take a picture using the camera.
Well, we can take a shot from that.
Can I?
Yeah. You should have used the other side, because the other side has a, the 16 megapixel. Keep it still though. It's gonna be blurred.
Yeah. Yeah. Scary monster. She's gonna get sick. Make sure that she doesn't get cold to the bones. The glass family.
I was talking to somebody, and they were saying in Colorado it's cold, but here is a wetter cold because of the humidity. I say, yeah, it'll get you cold to the bone.
Here?
Yeah, but Colorado, you just get cold. I'm like, never would have thought there would have been a difference. But...
Her nose is already pink.
Oh, God, sorry.
Yeah, just, Pucha ka daw, babe.
It didn't feel that cold. It's really cold.
Just really, wrap her arms around her. I can't even talk anymore. This is your dad's fault. Oh, her nose is red. No.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Let's come back here when it's like warm,
Yeah.
and then just like mount the camera there, facing at us.
That's cool, yeah. Oh, no, her nose, baby. Oh my god.
You know, Dad took me on this thing when I was a kid.
So this is like an ongoing thing every day?
I haven't really heard her do that. Did you see that?
What? Is it a tree?
I don't know what it was.
It seems like it's like 30s.
60s.
60s, good John. It's like 50s, the highest is supposed to be like 50s.
It was not.
Did you feel that?
Would you fart?
Excuse me. Oh, that is so vulgar of you.
She has a coach back and drives a Lexus.
Bye. Bye, baby.